Hi everyone, I'm Vardhan from AetherStackAI. There's a word everyone in AI is talking about right now, AI agents. But here's the problem. Nobody can explain what they actually are. You hear it in podcasts, you see it on LinkedIn, you read it in news articles. But what the hell is an AI agent? By the end of this video, you'll understand AI agents better than 95% of people, including most engineers. Let me start with this. ChatGPT is not an AI agent. Yes, you read that right. ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, these are AI models. They answer questions, they generate text, they wait for you to tell them what to do. An AI agent is something completely different. Decoded truth number one. An AI agent doesn't just respond, it acts. Think of ChatGPT like a brilliant consultant in a room. You ask a question, it gives you advice, but it doesn't do anything. An AI agent is like a brilliant employee. It takes your goal, makes its own plan, uses tools, takes actions, and reports back when done. Let me give you a real example. You tell ChatGPT, book me a flight to Mumbai under 5,000 rupees. ChatGPT responds, here are some tips on finding cheap flights. Check websites like Make My Trip and ClearTrip. You tell an AI agent the same thing. The agent opens a browser, searches multiple sites, compares prices, picks the best option, fills your details, books it, sends you the confirmation. That is the difference. It is a fundamental shift in how we use AI. Decoded truth number two. AI agents have three superpowers that regular AI doesn't. Superpower 1. Planning. Agents break big goals into small steps. If you say plan a trip to Goa, the agent decides first I'll check dates, then flights, then hotels, then activities. Superpower 2. Tools. Agents can use other software, they can browse the web, send emails, run code, update databases, even talk to other agents. Superpower 3. Memory. Agents remember context across hours, days, even weeks. They learn from past actions. They get smarter over time. Now let me show you what this means for you. Real world example. Imagine an AI agent for your business. You wake up, check your phone. The agent has already replied to 50 customer emails overnight. Scheduled 3 meetings based on calendar availability. Created a draft report from yesterday's sales data and flagged 5 urgent issues for your attention. This isn't science fiction. This is happening right now. Companies like Anthropic, OpenAI, Google, and Microsoft are racing to build these. Why now? Because 3 things finally came together. 1. AI models got smart enough to plan. 2. Tool use protocols got standardized. 3. Companies see the massive business case. But here's the wild part. AI agents will replace many jobs. Customer support, data entry, basic research, scheduling, even some programming tasks. But they'll also create new jobs. People who design agents, people who supervise them, people who teach them, people who build the systems they connect to. So what should you do? 3 actions. 1. Start using basic agents now. Try tools like ChatGPT agents, Claude Computer Use, or Manus. Get hands-on experience. 2. Learn how agents work. Don't just use them, understand the basics. Tools, planning, memory. 3. Think about your industry. What boring task could an agent do for you? Those are the opportunities. But here's what most people get wrong. They think AI agents are just better chatbots. They're not. This is a fundamental shift from AI that answers to AI that does. Next Monday in lesson 9, I'll show you how to actually build your first AI agent. No coding required. Subscribe, hit the bell, and I'll see you Saturday for quiz number 4 with cash prizes. I'm Vardhan from AetherStackAI. See you Saturday.